Okay, good morning. I'm kind of in a rush today, which is perfect for this look because it needs to be fast. I'm not using any heat today. For the record, I could cover this in dry shampoo and it'd still be fine exactly the way it is, for the record. But I thought I'd tell you something different just to keep it interesting. So this is just a little easy-ish, okay, I'll be honest, style that you can do, especially if you're like, oh my gosh, my top is so disgusting and I don't want to leave it down. So I am gonna do two little mini Dutch braids all the way back. And if you can't Dutch, do French. I do have a video on my, I think on my IGTV, yes, on my IGTV, on how to Dutch braid. But these are just really small ones. The difference between Dutch and French is Dutch is where the braid is on the outside and French means the braid is tucked in. So I do these kind of tight at first and then I pull them apart so that they're more of like that chunky braid look. But I'm just going to braid these back and then put just more product in my hair to keep it fluffy looking. What else was I gonna tell you? Oh, I keep getting questions about dry shampoo. So after this, that's another video that I'll make separately because there are so many different kinds and they're for different purposes. So you see how this one's done? I'm gonna pull it apart. So when you pull braids apart, sorry, squirrel. When you pull braids apart, make sure that you just feel for the outside. Like don't reach from the inside, reach from the outside and pull it apart. It'll make it fatter without like totally pulling your braid completely apart. So that's what I'm doing. So you saw how quick that was for me. So if there's an easier braid for you to do, then do that. Or you could totally just pull your hair back into a little mini top bun, like same amount of hair, but in a bun. Okay, so that side's done. I'm gonna do this side. Ooh, this is my other side. Not as talented on this side. It's okay. I can do this. I can do hard things, right? Okay, that's really difficult to do in a camera. I totally need a mirror, but I did both sides. That was definitely my harder side. I have clear elastics, so then I'm gonna put these two together, like so. Tie it off, and then if you're like, that's not enough, I agree with you. Let's put the scrunchie in it. This one's from Free People, has really cute scrunchies right now. So, and I think Anthropology does too. If you need a big chunky scrunchie, this one. Oh, see, so much better. All of a sudden, makes it all. Okay, so I'm gonna of course spray dry texture. And what I like about this stuff is that it's not, your hair still feels fine. Like it doesn't feel disgusting. It's not like, oh my gosh, it's so sticky, I can't even brush through it. Like, no, it's fine. And like I said, all these products kind of dry your hair out, so it works in your favor. But there we go. You could even put in some dry shampoo right through your root if you wanted to. But that's it. Here's an up close of it. So cute. So, like I said, I barely had any time this morning, so this is what I'm doing today. Let me know if you have any questions.